What's going on, guys? Josh and Relly here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. And I'm standing next to a brand new model that we have on a new line that we're offering here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. We have a NauticStar 227 XTS bay boat. Hop on board and let's take a look. Although NauticStar is a new brand for us, it's not a new brand to the industry. NauticStar was actually founded in 2002, and they focus on a few things, three of them being family, fun, and fishing. So this is a bay boat, but this definitely blends all the family options as well. Hop on board and let's take a look. So I mentioned fishing and family before. I'm gonna show you how it actually blends the two. So you see back here, you have a huge casting area for fishing, you know, an area to just relax. But with the flip of a switch and a quick pull up, you can open up all this seating in the aft area here. But what's underneath the center seat is what brings it back to fishing. Pull this up here, and you have your live well right there in the center, easy to grab your baits and go fish. So with all the talk about fishing and family, you still got to get from point A to point B. And another new thing for us here at MarineMax St. Petersburg is Yamaha outboards. This boat's powered with a 200, gets it up on plane great, cruises nicely, and you have a bit of speed there on the top end too. Let's move up to the helm and take a look. As you take a seat at the console, you notice it looks rather comfortable, right? Well, it is. The upholstery is nice and soft, it's not hot to the touch, and this is sitting in the direct sunlight. And as you face forward, you have ample room for your choice of electronics. In this case, we have the Simrad Go 9 XSE already installed, the Infinity head unit powering your JBL speakers, as well as the Bocatech switches to control all your accessories on the boat. Let's take a step forward and see what the bow has to offer. In addition to the casting platform and all the storage in the bow here, we have something special, and this brings it back to a fishing boat. You have a secondary live well here, so if you want easy access to your shrimp and whitebaits, you can do that right here. But when it's flipped down, it's a comfortable seat for your passengers while going to the sandbar. As we take a step up to the bow here, you're gonna notice a huge casting platform. For those days sight casting redfish or searching for tarpon on the beach, you have an ample area to do so. But it not only serves as a casting platform, you have a ton of storage underneath. You have rod lockers on either side and deep storage down below. If you want more information on this NauticStar or any other NauticStar in the NauticStar lineup, feel free to reach out to myself, Josh and Relly here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg, or one of my associates, or come down and check them out. You can see us here at 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South in St. Petersburg, Florida. Look forward to seeing you soon.